Wait, mister! What's your name?
Roy Hobbs! Here!
Hey!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right on time. Chicago. You know that.
Hello. I'm Harriet Bird.
It'll be in 110 pages coast to coast, all right? Now, I want to do a little background on your boy.
Not now, Max. Maybe in the morning.
Why?
I'm not feeling well. Oh, and listen, bring that soap up, Yomi, huh?
Okay, we'll have breakfast on me, okay? And I can do wonders for that boy, you know, if you let me. Rummy.
Everyone thought he would murder you.
Yeah?
Yeah. And the way everyone rallied around you. They'll be talking about today for years to come. It was just like watching Sir Lancelot jousting Sir Turquoise. Or was it Maldemar? I'm not sure. Have you ever read Homer?
Homer? Well, only Homer I know has 4 bases in it.
Homer lived ages ago and wrote about heroes and gods.
Oh.
And he would have had it in mind to write about baseball had he seen you out there today.
You know what, someday? I'm gonna break every record in the book. I know I got it in me.
And what will you hope to accomplish?
When I walk down the street, people look at me and say, there goes Roy Hobbs, the best there ever was.
Is that all?
Well, what else is there?
Don't you know? Isn't there something more?
More?
More glorious? Do you have a girl? I'm gonna say goodnight now.
Harriet, would you come watch me play sometime?
Oh, Roy, you are priceless.
Or will you?
Of course.
Sam, I could throw a ball in here and never hit the end of it.
That's for sure, kid.
Is that licorice?
Minor licorice. Going to the hotel.
How far is it to the stadium?
Going to the hotel first. Come on, we gotta get over to the hotel. I want to get a drink.
Oh. Hello?
Hello, Roy. This is Harriet.
Excuse me?
Harriet Bird, silly.
Oh.
The door's open.
Hello? How did you know I was staying at this hotel? What's going on here?
Roy, will you be the best there ever was in the game?
That's right.